Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my onion juice for my hair. You can drink it for your, it's clear eyes, it's work for brain. So I want to show you how I prepare my own. So this is my onion, so I want to peel the back. So this is drinking water. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is our onion juice. Thank you for watching. You can use this to rub your hair, and it's very good when it prevents mosquito to near you. So you can rub it on your skin so that it smooths our skin too. If you can avoid the smell of the oil, onion. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah. It's good for jedi jedi. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.